Hey guys, what's up? So the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is one of the most anticipated devices that Samsung is going to launch this year after having announced the Note 20 series along with the Z Fold 2. The phone is the spiritual successor of the Galaxy S10 Lite, and it's believed that it will be powered by a Snapdragon processor just like its predecessor, unlike Samsung's usual affair of launching Exynos-powered phones in the global market. The Galaxy S10 Lite comes with the Snapdragon 855 SoC despite the original S10 series sporting the Exynos 9820 outside of the USA and China, and the same is expected from the S20 Fan Edition as well. Now, Geekbench benchmark score has leaked for a phone with model number G780F. This is the global variant of the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, and it comes with the Exynos 990 processor. The global variant of the phone is said to miss 5G, so it was rumored that Samsung might disable the 5G modem of the Snapdragon 865. However, this leak indicates otherwise. The listing also reveals that the phone features 8GB of RAM and Android 10. The device scored 588 points in the single-core CPU test and 2448 points in the multi-core CPU test, which is considerably lower than the Snapdragon 865's score of above 800 points in the single-core and over 3000 points in the multi-core department. Smartphone enthusiasts were hoping that the company would launch the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition with the Snapdragon 865 processor throughout the world. However, the existence of an Exynos 990 variant could come as a surprise to many. The Exynos 990 is not a bad processor, but it pales in comparison to the Snapdragon 865, and that is the concern of people getting the Exynos-powered phone. Apart from the SoC, the phone is expected to feature 128GB of internal storage along with a microSD card slot that should help expand it in case you need more. It will come with a similar triple camera setup as the Galaxy S20 with a 12MP Sony IMX555 as the primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide and an 8MP telephoto camera. There might be a 32MP selfie camera on the front of the phone in a punch hole on the top center. Talking about the front, we might see a 120Hz dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display with an in-display fingerprint reader. The Galaxy S20 Fan Edition is also rumored to feature an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance, which was missing from the Galaxy S10 Lite, and a 4500 mAh battery with 45 watts of charging. The phone could be available in 5 colors: blue, green, orange, red and white, and it could be priced around $750. That's it for this video. Do let me know your opinion on the Exynos variant of the S20 Fan Edition now that we know it's there. Also smash the like button if you liked the video and consider subscribing to the channel for more tech videos. I will see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.